Yakwe from Auburn. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're at a Marshallese party right now. Check out this Marshallese. Yakwe, Yakwe. Yakwe, Yakwe. Hello, peoples. Oh wow, why are you guys all matching?
You like our
huh?
uniform?
Okay. Oh, Marshallese, why aren't you wearing your stuff?
I'm about to. I was waiting for you and them to come.
Put it on. Put it on.
You didn't come out.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Let's go. Come on, guys.
How are you?
Good, 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 good.
Let's go bother our
All right, we're gonna head inside because I think the party is just starting right now. So here we go. Good, thank you. Okay, let's get some people to say hi. Say hi.
What's up, everybody?
What's up? This is the father. That's the father. Where's everybody? Huh?
They're still getting ready, but they'll be on their way.
Oh man, we're hungry.
Just peace.
Okay, this is the setup. Okay. All right, that's the setup. That's the setup. Beautiful, beautiful. Yakwe, nergin machan.
Is that good?
It looks like just Chuukese right now. But we're hungry. Right, we're here to support our Marshallese family. Alright, thank you. We'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm looking around and all I'm seeing is just a whole bunch of Chuukese. I don't see any Marshallese. Our Marshallese families are not here. And I feel like I'm the only Marshallese that's here at the place. Where are my families? Where are my Marshallese families? Look. All my Chuukese families are here. Chinese, is that you on that thing? Is that you? What's that? There we go.
Menurut jalo, kenyaman antara. Yo ini menurut jij, lalu yang kalau terlalu jauh di sana. Dan begitu kan, Bday ke panggilan kerana orang pilih kacili jadi tahu tu karena pegangan jadi ada sama dia kerana jadi ada welcome to us and on the other side our family or friend from Chuukese. If you have the family, say to see tonight for this our program, we'd like to thank you for coming and sharing us. Beliau jadi naik rumah awak clear lagi Santos. We call up on Reverend or Pastor Sundos to open our moment tonight.
Before I pray, I just want to say how grateful I am to be among us. This beauty and honor to be here. First time to join together with this lovely family. I praise God for allowing us to join you tonight. We shall pray.
Christmas hour. और जो दारू कपड़े और लगी कर कपड़ा लगी नहीं जाने मन मानो तो बड़े कमाने तो दारू चुनाव दारा and I'm sorry maybe I will control this program tonight 75% Marshallese and 25% English or Chuukese. I will try my best to make you understand what's going on tonight from the beginning to the end of tonight. Okay, thank you for coming. Okay, music. Itu jualan yang ada di Bday. Macam ni Bday itu jadi film program. Yang Bday naru, cuma jualan naik tahu tu. Jadi dari pen kitchen, kalau jualan lain. Jika taruh malu je. Jadi cuma malu tu mana mana Bday taruh cuma.
Be
Bday kitchen yan, food committee. All of night, we might talk to everyone right away. According to our food committee, everybody is going to stand on the long table and check out food. So at this time, everybody is going to get their food first. And after that, we'll proceed on this program. Okay, tayo nga balik ako, kailan kabubukan birthday ka, music, rain, pinag-pinag ko na rin ito. Okay, sino lain na? Uwin marang lain, nagkarangan malala, ulit, kaya lain. Bagaimana ini jadi pada lawan tujuh band jalan.
para usted. Mira. Thank you. That's too much. Can I just have a little? That's still the size of blossom. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have 3? I like that. One more, please. Thank you. Congrats. It's okay. Huh? No. I want this. What after 4? Yeah. Okay. Sir, thank you. Not this one. Maybe, yeah. Put it on the noodle.
On the what?
On the noodle. Put it on the noodle. Yes. What's that? Oh, yes. Oh, yes, please. Woo. Yes. Put it on the banana. On the banana. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Some more. Some more. On the rice. On the rice. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. No. What's that?
Turkey tail.
Huh?
Turkey tail.
Turkey tail? No, 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 no. Take the chicken. I don't like chicken. What? Yes. Can I get this one? What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Give me my fish. Dip it. Dip it. Dip it. No, 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 no. Dip it. Dip it. Dip, dip.
Tanan happy birthday. Salamat ng boy maandito. Kaya.
Really did not plan to be up here. But I want to say something for our family. Not only that I'm a pastor, but I'm also an uncle for Louis. I am grateful. I'm sure most of us here are family. We're not just from the family of God, but we're also family of Louis. Cousins, aunties, and uncles. We're very, very close. So, for all of us, I want to say how grateful we are. We're very thankful for this opportunity to share this fellowship, this great celebration. Our Marshallese family, it's great to share a meal with you. In our culture, it's very important that when we share a meal with someone, we become close. And I think this, I want to stand here and represent all of us. Many of us don't come, but I want to thank you all. For those who planned this party, this celebration, I want to thank you all. This is for our family. And for all of us, I see some people who come from different the Chuukese, our families, they come from different places. I thank you all for coming to this celebration, and it turns out to be a very great celebration for our son. I'm sorry. That's all I have to say. I'm very grateful to speak for us. I'm blessed to be part of this celebration. I don't even know where Mega's parents are. I just figured it must be the more active ones. It is my pleasure to meet you, even though we don't say in person. I thank God for this opportunity to meet you all. From all of us to all of you,
dari ginawa pero mungkin marah kan jadi jangan-jangan malu kadang tujuan anak jangan ini malam pilih pria dengan buat pilih ya tujuan ini kok lawan tamu kepada bodoh. you guys can go now.
Yakwe and Ran. I just want to say thank you to everybody that came out for our daughter's birthday. And one thing, I also want to thank God for blessing me and Meta with Rolina. And I also want to thank God for having this opportunity to spend it with both sides of the family. Can you someone come up?
At this time, I will give it to Mother of the baby for Tico.
Yakwe and Ran, or Yakwe and Ran. I don't have anything to say, but I just want to tell you guys that I'm grateful so much for like you guys showing up. It means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ilagay mo yung laro ba? Nagalinin mo.
Alright, we're closing out the video. Thank you, Marshall Islands, for hosting the birthday party. Thank you, guys. Alright, see you guys next time. Check out the other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.